Jai Jinendra, respected parents. In this video, we are going to know how to upload the answer sheet of annual exam. First of all, install Clear Scanner app from Google Play Store. This app will help you to create PDF file of the answer sheet of your child. After installing Clear Scanner app, open it. As you can see at the bottom, there is the icon of camera. So to create PDF, you have to click on it. As you click on that icon, the camera of your mobile phone will on. Now you need to click on the page like button. So if you click on page like button, so you will find two pages will appear. When there will be two pages, now you should start clicking the picture of the answer sheet. While clicking the picture, make sure that entire page is visible and don't move the camera. So in this way, you have to click the pictures of the answer sheet. As it is done, then you have to click on right button. Then you have to click on OK. As you click on OK, so you will find that your images are clicked and you have to resize the image. You can drag it. So drag the green buttons and then click on right button. In the same way, you have to do it for all the pages. Now it is being processed. As the processing done, now you have to click on PDF button. Here you can find, so you have to click on PDF button. Yes, now your PDF is ready. So you have to save this PDF in your mobile memory. To save this PDF file, you have to click here. Here you can find more option. So you have to click on more option. Then you have to choose save to storage. So as you click on save to storage, then file name will appear. You have to give the name of the file. For example, class 4 math. Then you have to select the place where you want to save this file. So click on these three buttons and then choose the place where you want to save it. For an example, right now I am going to save it in my SD card. So inside SD card, I want to save my file in the download folder. So I have to choose download. Then I have to click on select button. Okay, now you have to click on save to storage. So your PDF is ready for upload. Now come back to your home screen and open BJB LMS app. Then you have to click on exam option. If you are logged in, then directly go to exam option. Otherwise, you have to use my profile option to log in. So now if you are logged in, then click on exam button. You will find the schedule of exam. Here you can see 4 mathematics trial exam. Now to upload the file, you have to click on start exam. Here you will find one instruction and you will find one next button. So you have to click on next button. Then the next button will be changed into upload answer. So you have to click on upload answer. Then one message will appear. After this, you won't be able to attempt questions again. So you need to click on OK. As you click on OK, your mobile memory will open. So as I have saved my file in my SD card, so I need to go to my SD card and then the folder where I have saved the file. So I have saved my file in download folder. So as I open my download folder, I will find my PDF file, class 4 math. Now you have to click on class 4 math and then you have to click on OK button. Now the file will be uploading. This may take little time, so don't go back while it is being uploaded. So in this way, you have to upload the answer sheets of each subject for the annual exam. You will get the question paper in the group and your child has to solve the question in a copy, and finally you have to upload. There will be one confirmation message when the upload will be done, so keep patience. Okay, so you can see the confirmation message is visible. Then you have to click on OK button and you can go back. Thank you.